Dear students, earlier I have given you idea about the electric field. Now today the topic is electric dipole moment. Electric dipole. First you know about the electric dipole. Just like a name is given, electric dipole. Electric means something related to charge and dipole means having the two pole. Means the two equal and opposite charges equal and opposite charges are placed at a very small distance the system is called electric dipole. You take up charges which are kept a very small distance the whole system is called electric dipole. It is called electric dipole. The electric dipole moment P is either charge Q into 2A. The direction of electric dipole moment along the axis of dipole from negative to positive charge. What is axis? A line joining the two charges is called axis. This is the value of P is equal to Q into 2A. This is called electric dipole moment. Due to this, we calculate electric field intensity. Let's see here, electric field intensity due to electric dipole. Now topic is to find out the electric field intensity due to electric dipole. We take here two cases. First is on axial, means you will take a dipole and on axis of it you will calculate the electric field. And next is equatorial. Let the dipole is here. We consider here the dipole. Here the charge is minus Q and here the charge is plus Q. And we consider here the point C having distance from mid of dipole distance is suppose R. Now what is description for this? Let n dipole, an electric dipole having point C lies on its axis where we have to calculate electric field intensity. This case is axial. Axial or end on position. Now we apply the only formula is electric field. We use it here and we calculate electric field due to charge minus Q. Electric field due to charge minus Q, that it is E1, and that will be equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 Q over R plus A whole square, from formula E equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 Q over R square. Now due to this, the direction of electric field will be, this will be E1, and due to positive charge the direction of electric field will be outward. I have given an idea in my previous videos. You have seen that due to negative charge the direction is towards the charge, and due to positive charge it is outward. So electric field, we calculate electric field due to negative charge E2 is equal to, you can write in vector form also, no problem, you can get it. E2 here 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R minus A whole square. You see here R plus A and R minus A, because we are measuring the distance from plus Q and minus Q. The pole length is 2A. So, and we are measuring R distance from mid of dipole. So one distance become R plus A, another distance become R minus A. Then the net electric field, the net electric field will be, electric field will be B is equal to E1 plus E2 . This way, if we are here, if I am calculating only magnitude part, then magnitude of E is equal to here magnitude of E1 minus magnitude of E2. Why it is like? Because E1 is greater than E2. Let's see, E1 value is R plus A and E2 value is R minus A. Then certainly there is a mistake. What it will be? E2 minus E1 in spite of E1 minus E2. We take here it will be E2 minus E1. Why it is so? Because E2 is greater than E1. We put the value here. This will be E, not a. E is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon R minus A whole square minus 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon R plus A whole square. We take a common outside q upon, here in bracket, 1 upon R minus A whole square minus 1 upon R plus A whole square. We take a simple mathematical calculation here and we get a squared result. You see, that will be R minus A whole square and here R plus A whole square, and on numerator side we have R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square. By this way, when you will open it, you will use the identity of mathematics. It becomes R square plus A square plus 2RA, and here it is minus R square minus A square minus 2 plus 2RA, and in denominator it will be R square minus A square whole square. Here we are using A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square formula and A minus B whole square formula. If you are knowing this, there is no problem to understand here. And here it is A square plus B square minus 2AB, and another identity I am using, A square minus B square is equal to A plus B A minus B. So we used here, we get the required result Q. Here you see they will cut out. Now we are having 4RA. Now here it is R minus R square minus A square 4RA. Now electric field will be, now we can write 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 Q into 4A into R over R square minus A square whole square. Q into 2A is equal to P. So formula becomes E is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 P into R over R square minus A square whole square. Electric field becomes 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 P into R, 2P into R, R square minus A square whole square. This will be here 2PR. Now you know that if we take here, if R is very large in comparison to A, You know also the pole length is very small. It is a micrometer order, and distance, if you are taking a centimeter order, so certainly a meter order it will be more. So if r is very large in comparison to a, so neglecting a square in presence of r square, we have E is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 2p to r over r to power 4, and here again it will cancel, and we have the result is E is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon 0 2p by r cube, that is Newton per coulomb, and this will be the direction of, this will be the electric field. Now here the electric field will be, direction of electric field will be according to the dipole moment, that will be twice p by r cube, means where from negative to positive charge. Now with the help of this we can calculate electric field, and it will be according, direction of electric field will be according to the dipole moment direction, even though it is along the axis of electric field. This is all about electric field intensity due to the electric dipole on its axis.